Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How you doing tonight? And thank you for watching. Welcome to another edition of Project Life. Tonight I am going to show you guys what I put in my protein shake. Lily is making us a fine Italian dinner. We're gonna have a little date night in the home. You guys, you don't have to go out to the Capitol Grill or wherever the nicest restaurant is around you to have a little date. We're gonna have a nice glass of wine, some pasta, and enjoy the night in, enjoy the company. We're supposed to get a snowstorm tomorrow. Hopefully it won't be that bad or bad enough to get snowed in. Let's do it. Okay. Mixing bowl or blender. John, come on. I'm gonna put 4 ice cubes in there. Cup of kale. Scoopy of protein, whatever you choose. Tablespoon of peanut butter. And normally, guys, I'd put like some like fruit, like a banana. I have no bananas, or maybe some blueberries, or like raspberries or blackberries. But I'm gonna put a little bit of instant coffee in there.
That's not instant.
It's not instant coffee. The coffee really gives it a nice flavor too, guys. Don't sleep on it. So I'm trying to build a little more mass and retain some muscle, so I'm gonna put some creatine in there. And last but not least, guys, milk or liquid of your choice. I am going to use some almond milk. Cup of almond milk, maybe a little more than a cup, it's okay. And then we blend. Would help if you turned it on. I plugged it in, Sean. Now comes the best part, and that's enjoy, baby. After the pour. Cheers. Delicious and nutritious. Date night for 2.
Look at that.
Look at that. Look
I was gonna give you this one because it's prettier, but there's
presentation.
less on this one, so yeah.
You made the right decision. What's up, guys? I just finished filming a video for y'all. I think that I'm gonna try and do more how-tos, more tips, more advice type videos and keep them short. I know a lot of people do how-tos and tip videos, but not a lot of people, you know, keep it short and sweet. So I'm gonna try and do that for you guys. Keep them under, like, you know, let's say 7 minutes. Keep them under 7 minutes for the tip videos, anyways. But yeah, just had dinner, hanging out with the Shui. I'm gonna edit that video. It's a short week at work this week. We got Friday off. We got Monday off. The Shui and I.
Monday.
Yeah, I know. The Shui and I just took a couple days off just to enjoy it and maybe film some videos and stuff, you know. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, dog? Alright, calm down. Sup, y'all? What? Personal assistant here in the world.
Yep.
Looking beautiful, as always.
Thank you.
Smooch. So Lily and I are gonna go to Marshall's. She's gonna get a new lunch bag. The lunch bag we have,
It's too big.
yeah, it's too big and it's old. It is old. So I think it's time for a new one.
A refresher.
Yep. And also gonna get an end table to use for some videos. And
You drink all the Celsius?
you drank the last one last night. Pal.
There's no black cherry left?
No.
I'll have to try it.
You didn't try it?
No.
Oh, we're
That's
going to the
fine.
store. Oh, that's what we need. Else we need to go. See? See what you did?
Halo top.
We're gonna get some Halo Top. That's my new obsession. New obsession.
Guys,
Chick-fil-A.
we just we just came across an amazing surprise.
It really is amazing.
We drove by and there's gonna be a Chick-fil-A. For those that don't know, the nearest Chick-fil-A is where, babe?
I
don't know,
don't
let's look
even
it up.
know. Last I heard it was like Burlington, which is like
Chick-fil-A near me.
it's like an hour away, more. And it's north of Boston.
Oh.
And there's one right down the street.
There's one in Seekonk.
Oh. Hey.
But still,
Yeah.
so this one is right down the street from us. I mean, the one in Seekonk is, it's not that far, but I'm sure this one's way closer.
Yeah.
And where we lived before, or when we lived in Mass, there was no Chick-fil-A's at all, nowhere near. You would have to drive an hour to get to a Chick-fil-A. Or not even more, right?
It's becoming more popular.
I'm so excited.
Eventually, you know, if a franchise of business is successful, eventually it's gonna be everywhere.
I'm so excited because I've never tried it. Have you tried it?
Yeah.
You've
never
tried Chick-fil-A?
Yeah. Hello, my mom used to live in Florida.
Oh.
There was one, and when I would go down to visit my mom, I'd go down like, you know, 3 or 4 times a year. I would make it a point to always hit the Chick-fil-A when I landed and right before I left, because I knew I wasn't gonna get it for another, you know.
Well, I have never tried it, so I don't know the great taste that it has, but I've heard great things about it. And
You're more excited than I am. You never had it?
yeah. I'm excited to try it.
Hashtag waffle fries. You ready? She always takes like 16 years to get out of the car, and I don't know why. It's because I locked the door. I just totally was talking shit.
You were?
Yeah.
Oh,
I was like, she always takes 16 years to get out of the car. Can we go to Old Navy? Okay. You want to go to Old Navy?
Oh no, let's go to Marshall's so I can have a lunch back.
Alright. He is about to die.
Battery's about to die.
Battery's about to die. Does the Tupperware come with it, or
Yeah, same.
like is it sold
Yeah.
separately?
No, it comes with it.
Dude, that's amazing.
This, the water bottle.
Fit and fresh.
So cute.
Battery's about to die.
Relax.
Battery's about to die. This is the trap, guys. This is what stores
Let me
want.
tell you what it is. So this,
We came in for a lunch bag. I'm getting a wireless mouse for the laptop, and we're probably getting some other stuff.
so this is,
My favorite place in the world.
huh? What'd you say?
It's my favorite place in the world. It kind of is, because it's next to you. It's a favorite place for real. So it's like,
Can we walk?
yeah. Battery's about to die.
I know.
Battery's about to die. Yep.
Wow.
It's literally, I'm probably gonna shut off on you guys, so sorry.
Decisions.
Really, I'm up here. Chocolate covered banana. Oh, you know we're going with that this time. So my battery did indeed die during the sunset montage, but I hope you guys like that. It looks so nice. Ooh. We're just watching Alex and Michael, their vlogs in Italy, and it looks like they had so much fun, and it's so entertaining. So
yeah,
if you guys don't know who they are, which I'm sure most of you do,
if you
go
do,
watch.
leave a comment.
Yeah, if you do, leave a comment. But yeah, it's super entertaining. Lily and I are just gonna chill for the rest of the night, relax, have some more Halo Top for me, Halo Top for her, and we realized it's dairy free, so that is
How did you catch that? Game.
It says it right on it. I'm
changer.
I'm just blind.
You know what kills me though is that Sean like is obsessed with he's like, oh my god, Halo Top, it's only like something calories, but he has 3 tubs of it, so it kind of defeats the purpose.
But I have the calories to spend, so I mean, it's okay. As long as I stay within my caloric intake, then I'm good.
I don't think that's
all
how
right.
it works.
Is it the cleanest form of dieting? No. But hey, everything in moderation. I'll always have 3 tubs. I'm gonna tonight, but not dieting, it's your diet.
Oh.
Yeah, so we're just gonna hang out, chill, relax, low-key night. That's what we like to do. Thank you so much for watching. We will catch you in the next one. Please subscribe if you haven't, and if you found value in this, share it with one friend. Thanks so much, guys.